Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lois Omaitha. I do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and weight loss journey. If you like such kind of content, kindly remember to hit the subscribe button, also like and share with everyone. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning my living room, and I started by removing all the curtains the previous day and also the pillowcases and cleaned them. So to deep clean this living room, I'm going to start by removing the cobwebs, and here I'm just using a damp mop so that I can be able to catch all the cobwebs. And as I'm catching the cobwebs, I'm also making sure that I'm wiping the top part very well. So the next step, I'm going to be cleaning my seats. The reason why I clean my seats is because I have a small baby who is just learning to eat, and I find mostly I have food stains on my seats mostly, so I have to keep up with those stains. And here I'm using the Magni. It has been working for me very well with these seats. And the reason why I wipe the cushions, it's because I can't remove the cover. I don't know how that fundi made them, but you can't remove. And the first time I attempted to remove the cushion covers, they actually got torn, and I saw that removing them time to time, I'm going to spoil the covers, so I prefer wiping them and sun drying them outside. It also works for me very well. That's the reason why I wipe other than removing the covers and cleaning them. So using the Magni is very easy. You just put a small amount in the water and then make it to a foam, whisk it to a foam, and then that foam is the one you use to wipe your seats. Cleaning has become like a medicine to me. It's so therapeutic, so relaxing. The feeling that you get after your house is all clean and fresh. I feel it heals your mind, it gives you peace. Let me know down in the comment section, how do you feel after staying in a clean house? I feel it's so calming. Let's interact down in the comment section. Let me know. Do you always feel like the same way I'm feeling? Or am I the only one? I most of the times nowadays I enjoy so much cleaning. If my house is so clean, my mind will be at peace. I'll be so relaxed. I'll be so productive. Also, let me take this chance to thank each and every one of you for the growth I've seen in my channel. I don't take that for granted. May God never forget that kind thing you did in my channel. Also, I want to thank all of you who have been liking, subscribing, sharing, and also leaving me all the comments. I want to thank you, and I'm so grateful from the bottom of my heart. I thank you all. After I was done with the seeds, the next thing I went outside to refresh my carpet, and here I'm using the Magni carpet and upholstery cleaner to spot clean my carpet and also refresh. So this helps to remove bad odor because the Magni leaves a very sweet scent to your carpet and also helps in removing the stains that may be there in the carpet. And I'm doing this outside so that the carpet can dry quickly. So I also sun dry the pillows so that they can dry quickly. So back in the house, I'm soaking the table using the vinegar and water mix so that the food stains could be softening as I clean the other places. So here I'm showing you how I mix it, just half part water and half part vinegar, and I use it to clean everywhere. You can see I'm using it to clean the walls, the windows, everywhere because it does a very good job. Have you been struggling to keep your windows clean, having that shiny effect, and also keeping them away from dust, especially from outside? Don't worry anymore because today I have a solution for you. So it's just the vinegar mix. You just spray it on the windows and then use tissue or serviette to wipe it, and I'm telling you this will leave your windows shining and it will keep them away from dust for some time. I'm telling you, I've tried and you can see even from the video how shining the glass is. It has a very good effect, and I loved it, and you will no longer struggle to keep your windows clean. Try this mix and let me know. Come back and tell me if it worked for you. Let me know down in the comment section. Have you tried this solution? Because it wowed me. I never expected that because you just mix the vinegar, half part vinegar and half part water, and I'm telling you this is going to leave your windows shining and keep them away from dust, and you will no longer You will no longer struggle to keep your windows clean. Look at that effect, guys. Look at that. And this is the outside. People will be looking at your windows and wondering, hi, what is this woman doing? So grab your 5 liters of vinegar and keep it in the house because it's going to help you so much. Look at that window. It's very clean, spotless, and it's going to stay like that even for more than 2 weeks. So the next thing I'm going to clean is my door. This is the outside door. I don't mind the taping, it's just the painting of the door. It's not done, so I can't remove the taping on the glass. Oh my god, look at how that window is shining. So after all that, we are then back inside. But now I'm wiping the TV and also the TV area because my walls are white and any spot it's going to be seen. Guys, there's no need of buying those expensive products. Just go grab yourself that 5 liter vinegar. So this is the year to start saving. Any small coin you can save through buying those products. You can make your own all-purpose cleaning product. You'll be using it to clean everything. I use it to clean my windows. You can see I have a glass table and I'm telling you guys, it does a very good job. It leaves your glass or also your table shining. So remember, today is a deep cleaning day, so we are cleaning everything from top to bottom. Even this table, we are not cleaning only on the top, we are cleaning it from top to bottom. Finally, the last thing I'm going to do is clean the floors. And to clean the floors, I'm using jig and detergent. So before cleaning the floors, I'm going to start by sweeping the floors. But if you have a vacuum, you can vacuum it so that it can be easy for you to clean the floors. And finally, the last thing I'm going to do is to hang up my curtains, and they are smelling so fresh because of the soaps that I used, and also return the pillow covers. And the secret to clean your fur pillow covers is to turn it inside out so that the far side doesn't get spoiled by the machine. So that's it for this video, and you can see the transformation is visible. If you have come this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate. Kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe down below if you haven't. Share me if you can, or let me know if I motivated you in this video to get up and do a thorough cleaning. And also if you learned something, let me know down in the comment section. I do love and enjoy interacting with you all down in my comment section. So kindly leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. See you in my next video. Bye.